Have a blessed day, my dear students. We are continuing the previous lesson, that is the 3 questions. Children, I hope you understood the chapter, the 3 questions. The 3 questions were asked by the king and finally he got answers from the hermit. Children, I have given you 4 questions and answers, and I told you to write the summary. I hope you all might have done. Now let us discuss with the rest of the questions. 5th question, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king and the hermit removed the wounded man's clothing. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. He dressed the wound a second time to stop the bleeding. Then the king and the hermit carried man to a bed in the hut. Children, you don't worry. The question answers and the exercises will be sent through the WhatsApp. Okay, you can write down the questions and answers from the WhatsApp, and you can write it neatly in your notebook. Okay. And what is the 6th question? Who was the bearded man? The bearded man was in fact the king's enemy. He had taken a vow to take revenge. The king had killed the man's brother and confiscated all his property. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The wounded man begged the king to forgive him. He was grateful to the king who had saved his life. He felt guilty at heart. He promised to serve the king all his life. And 7th question, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The king forgave the bearded man. He promised to send his servant and the doctor to look after him. He also returned the property seized by him. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? The hermit answered the king's questions in his own way. Now, the present time was the best time. Had he gone back, he would have been killed by his enemy. The bearded man was the best man at the moment to do good to the hermit, and the bearded man was the most important thing for the king. I like the answer to the first question most because it is the most logical. Now let us working with the language. Page number 15. Match items in list A with their meanings in list B. List A, wounded. Its answer is severely injured. Awoke, got up from sleep. Next, forgive means pardon. Next, faithful means loyal. Next, pity means feel sorry for. Now, beds, small patches of ground for plants. And return means give back. Now, sentence making, faithful. Dogs are usually faithful to their masters. Pity, take pity on the poor. Return, the king returned the property of the bearded man. Now, each of the following sentences has 2 blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the word given in the brackets. So, you have given an example. He has dashed to help me. Do you think he will remember his dash? So, there is a word given in the bracket which is promise. So, you have to use the appropriate form of promise. So, what is the answer? He has promised to help me. Do you think he will remember his promise? So, this word is used in the noun form and in the verb form. So, like that, you have to fill all the other blanks also in the correct form of noun and verb of the given word. Now, next is the dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. So, the judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. And next is, I didn't notice any serious dash of opinion among the debaters, although they dash from one another over their points. So the answer is the difference. I didn't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differ from one another over small points. Next one, it's a fairly simple question to dash, but will you accept my dash as a final answer? So, in both the blanks we have to use answer. How can we write the answer? It's fairly simple question to answer, but will you accept my answer as final? So both word is used as verb and noun. And now it is in dash that dash should always be mother of invention, necessary. So answer is, it is in necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. The next, hermits are dashmen. How they acquire their dash, no one can tell wise. So hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. Now the committee has dash to make Jagdish captain of the team. The dash is likely to please everyone. So decide is the word. You have to fill in the blanks with the committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. And last one, asking for dash is as noble as willingness to dash. So the answer is, asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. And the next section is the speaking and writing. Imagine you are the king. Narrate the incident of your meeting the hermit. So you have to begin the answer like this. The wise men answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. So this is the question given in the text. You have to write like this. This also I will be uploaded in the WhatsApp. So the wise men answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. I left my bodyguard behind. I went along to the hermit's hut. I found him digging beds. He was old and looked tired. I put him my questions, but he gave no answer. I took the spade from him and began to work in his place. When I had dug 2 beds, I repeated my questions. Several hours passed and the sun went down. Now, the king decided to take leave of the wise man. Suddenly, they saw someone running towards them. Second question, imagine you are the hermit. Write briefly the incident of your meeting the king. Begin like this. One day, I was digging in my garden. A man in ordinary clothes came to see me. I knew he was the king. Let's continue. But I went on digging the beds. The king asked me some questions. He wanted their answers, but I did not speak. He noticed that I was tired, so he took my spade and began to dig himself. He repeated his questions. He was about to go away when a wounded man came running there.